Okay, parents, so here I am. Once more, welcome. I'm Mrs. Samuels, and today I would like to demonstrate a tutorial on how it is that you can assist your child to upload an assignment to Google Classroom. Now, as you can see, I'm already inside of this classroom, Demo Classroom 2, and what you are seeing is the Stream tab where all posts have been made. To upload the assignment, I'm going to show you two ways in which you can do this. One, you can share an edited document that has been shared with you, or if you can upload a picture of a work that you have completed in the notebook. I'm going to pretend that I'm the student today. I'll be the student in this classroom, and I'll go into the classwork tab. When I click on the classwork tab, here I can see all the assignments that have been assigned to me personally. So all I need to do is click on the assignment that I want to view and to complete, and go ahead and complete it. Now, this worksheet right here, let me click on this one. This worksheet that has been shared with me is a worksheet that I can edit. So my teacher has given me a worksheet and I'm able to edit this worksheet. So I'm able to draw on the worksheet, circle whatever is to be circled, maybe add a note and so forth. And then I can save it and re-upload my completed edited version of it so my teacher can see. So let's do that. Now here you can see the attachment of the worksheet that has been assigned to me. I'm going to click onto it. When I click onto it, here the worksheet is seen. Now, if you notice right here, there's a pen tab. That tells me that I can edit this document. So I don't have to print it off and complete it in my book and then take a picture of it and then re-upload it. No, I can simply edit it as it is right now, save my edits, and share it with my teacher. So I'm going to click on this pen tab to bring up the pen tools. Let's click it properly. Good. And if you notice at the bottom, the pen tools are there. So this is an eraser, that's a highlighter, that's a pen. And over here, this A says I can add text to the document. So this is a worksheet that asks me to circle the number that shows the amount of members that are in each set. So I'm going to edit this now and circle all my answers for you to see. So the pen is already selected. I can change my color, choose whatever color I want. I'll go with blue, and then now I'm going to circle my answers. For the first one is 5, so I'm going to circle 5. Over here it's 9. Let me do that. Down here it's 2, so I'll circle numeral 2, and over here it's 6. All right, so there I have edited I've circled all my answers. Now, if I made a mistake, I can always use this arrow that's pointing to the left to undo what I did. So you see, the last answer has been erased. So that is what that tool is for. Or I can use this eraser to just erase whichever one I want. Alright, so that's what those tools are for. So you can check those out as well. Alright, now that I've completed the assignment, all I need to do now is to save my work. So this file that you're seeing right here, this icon, I can just click on it and it has saved all my edits. Now, here I am at this page. What I can do now is to upload my work for my teacher to see what I have done. So right here, down where it says your work, this arrow, I can click onto it, and here you notice it says the file has been edited. So I can tell that I have edited my work. All I need to do now is to turn it in. So this button that you see that says turn in, I can just click on it and then click this button that says turn in, and there my work has been submitted. So that is how you can assist your child to submit work that have been shared with him or her. So it may be a document that he can edit. All you need to do is edit it and then submit it back to the Google Classroom. But what if your child is given another type of work where he has to complete it in his notebook? There's another way we can share that. Let me show you how. Now, this was the one I just did. Now, this assignment here, it says write a story entitled The Day COVID-19 Came to Jamaica. So, okay, off I go. I've written my story. Now it's time for me to upload it for my teacher to see what I've written, to mark it. How do I go about that? Simple. Just down here where I went just now, where it says your work, I can click on the arrow to bring it up, and where it says add attachment, I'm going to click in that box where the plus sign is, and I'm going to search for my document now. So for instance, I'm going to click on file, and then it's going to open up the folders on this device, and I'm going to find it. So for instance, it's in gallery. So I open up the gallery, and I can now select the picture of my work. So let me select this. Okay, so now as you can see, my work has been attached. So all I need to do now is to click on the turn in button to turn in this work to my teacher. So I'll click on that. It says I only have one attachment. Yes, that's all. So I'm going to click on turn in, and now my work has been submitted. Right? So now my teacher can see what I have done on my work, and she can mark it from there. So now you can see my work has been submitted. My teacher is able to mark my work, and I am good to go. So once more again, this is an example of how it is that your child can submit his or her work on Google Classroom for your teacher to mark. It can be a work that he or she has completed in his notebook. You can take a picture of it, save it on the device, and then upload it to the classroom. Or if it was a document that he can download or can edit, can do so, make whatever additions there is to be made, and submit it to the Google Classroom. So all of this right here has been done in this tab, the classwork tab, but there's another way it can be done also by going on the stream tab. But the only downfall to this is that if the work is uploaded from the stream tab, everybody in the class can see it. So all the students and the teacher can see the work, and it's basically the same process. The only thing is that you click in this box where it says share with the class, and then you can see this paperclip right here. You would click on attach, and you find the file. Let me find it quickly. The file is attached, right? And now I can type and see this is it, for example, and you can see the attachment there, and then click on this arrow to share it with everybody. So if I should use the stream tab, everybody will see my work, teacher and student. If I use the classwork tab, only the teacher will see my assigned work. So I hope this tutorial was helpful in helping you to see how it is that you can assist your child to upload his or her work to the Google Classroom.